is sort of, and if he sometimes does, and if he ever sounds like, then you should watch Home Improvement tonight at 9 on Nick at Night, because it's all about dealing with Dad.
How can a future architect use this broken ruler? How can a future musician use this guitar? Or an artist make the sun shine without colored crayons? When you visit donorschoose.org, you choose what items you want to give. Whether it's rulers, guitars, crayons, or books, your donation allows kids to realize their dreams. Help level the playing field. This is Morgan Freeman. Donorschoose.org gives you the power to turn kids into students, one classroom at a time.
Now it's time to take a field trip on Noggin. Buenos dias, amigos. My friend Jose is going to spend some time at the peluqueria, the barber shop. Let's tag along. Some play games while they wait. These men are playing dominoes. Jose joins in. The barber pays close attention during the haircut. He uses a comb, scissors, and a razor to do the job right. Barbers use a whisk to brush away any stray hairs. Now it's Jose's turn in the barber's chair. The barber pulls out a clean comb. How about a shave? First, we lather some shaving cream where your whiskers grow. What? You're too young to grow whiskers? Well, we'll just pretend to shave you then. When you grow up, we'll use a real razor. Muy hermoso. In other words, very handsome.
Have you heard? There's a whole lot happening on Nickelodeon.
Yeah? Yes? Yes, yeah?
It's easy to stop by and say hello to SpongeBob, Fairly Odd Parents, Jimmy Neutron, and more. Just come on over and see what's happening on Nick.
Spread the word, people!
We're gonna say goodbye to the trees and bees. Say goodbye to the hole with the ants and the mole. We're gonna leave our paints, set them out to dry. Put our pencils down and wave goodbye. We'll wave goodbye to the number 10. Say goodbye to all the numbers and then we'll say so long to A through Z. Until next time when you come with me. It was a fun day, but now it's a done day. It's time to say goodbye. It was great and we can't wait till once again we all say hi. But for now we'll say goodbye. We must be on our way, on our way. We will shout, I used my noggin today. I used my noggin today.
The spaceship broke and they fell into space. They gotta get out, but they don't know how. So they're waiting and waiting in a creepy, creepy house. La 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 la.